Dear students, good evening. Welcome to Excellence IAS. Today we will be talking about our next course of action. The prelims is over. What's next? Many of the students, they wasted time waiting for the results. In this context, I want to share my little wisdom with you with regard to the preparation in this exam. Let me explain you a few things. Time is precious. Time is marks in this exam. Today, many of the senior students whom I know who have appeared at the interview, they also fumbled in prelims. I know a student who always got more than 110 marks in prelims is not scoring 88 marks this year. The paper is very dicey and it is making you to do the mistakes. In these circumstances, don't be fooled around and waste your time. So you are a first attempter, and if you are getting more than 95 marks, then go and start your preparation. So first category of student whom we are talking is who is making a first attempt, who is a fresh student. These students, they have to start their mains preparation immediately. Every minute is very important for these people. A minute lost is a day lost. So, enroll in any test series and then start writing the answers. What are the challenges the students who are writing the prelims for the first time will face? Their mains syllabus may not have been completed. They might not have practiced writing the answers, or they're optional. They always have the insecurity of completion. Believe me, even an experienced student will have the same problem. An experienced student will also have the same problem. Even after 2 or 3 attempts, you still will be facing the same difficulty in your thinking. So my point is, if you are in your first attempt, and if you are getting more than 95 marks in general merit, start your preparation immediately. The people who are getting between 90 to 95, I also recommend that you start your mains preparation believing that you will be clearing this exam. The reason is, all of a sudden if you get a surprise and if you clear the examination, the time will not be in favor of you. So, greater than 90 marks, start your preparation. More than 95 you will definitely clear. 90 to 95, you have good chance to clear. So, don't waste the time. That is my first rule. And next is, what is the advantage of the first timers? They are good at writing answers in a very simple form. Simplicity is their biggest advantage. What is the meaning of simplicity over here? So as you become older in this field, you become intellectual also. You get that socialistic bent of mind. Your thinking becomes complex. So the simple mind and simplistic presentation are the strengths with you. Don't lose this particular strength. Third is, the matured mind will have organizing abilities. What is meant by organizing ability? Here, how to structure an answer into various points or various headings, subheadings, side headings. This is what is structuring. Making your answer relevant to the question. This is where senior students will have an advantage. So from day one, you need to focus on organizing your thoughts. In this case, how to organize our thoughts in our presentation? Remember, it comes through a conscious, mindful practice. So toppers' answer scripts are there in the market. Various institutes have already given the toppers marks. Now these toppers' answer scripts you see, and how he might have thought, how he might have organized his answer, that is sufficient for you to understand the organizational skills. And fourth thing, now today, institutions, mentors, these all have become popular. Few days back, one of the institute was very popular with the test series. But at the scale, managing a test series is always difficult. With regard to scale, we have a problem. Any institute, if it crosses more than 1,000 students, the quality it can offer automatically declines. So I suggest you choose a mentor for yourself. So have a mentor who can help you in organizing the skills. Then how to select a mentor? They have to spend time with us. They have to sit and spend time with you. Let me give you an example. Last year, we have started Gayatri campus. There was a mentor called Shilpa, even she is there. She is into IRS, Indian Revenue Service. Due to some court issue, she did not join the service yet. The judgment is awaited. Now Miss Shilpa Bhatti, she is from Punjab. She always scored very well in essay and ethics. Obviously, she can be a good mentor for you for those two subjects. On the other side, certain students, certain mentors will be good with GS 1, 2, 3. So what I suggest you is, in the place of one mentor, try to have 3 different mentors. Select the right one for essay and ethics. And the next is, select for GS 1, 2, 3. One is anyhow factual, you don't need to worry. For second and third, have a mentor. The answer structuring for second paper and third paper is quite different compared to essay and ethics. And third is optional. You need to get at least 250 to 270 marks in your optional. So have a right mentor for your optional. So is that not too expensive for us? But remember, today many of the senior students are ready to mentor you. Choosing the right mentor is in your hands. Being an institution director, I can tell you that a good mentor can change the way you present your answers. So in a nutshell, if you are a first attempt exam taker and if you had good chances of clearing this prelims, don't waste a minute of your time. That is rule number 1. And the rule number 2 is this: select the right mentor, the wisdom and experience of your mentor, and the energy and simplicity of you shall get synergized. That is the second thing. And finally, I want to say another point. Content is abundant. Don't worry about content. And we are coming with ready reckoners for mains. And I myself is preparing the quality ready reckoner for the students. And accumulating or assimilating that content is going to be a cakewalk for you. And we will do some videos on that. So, content-wise, do not worry. Worry about organizing your content. UPSC do not expect you to have oceans of information in mains. What information you have, how well you can present it, that is what is the critical factor for success. So with this, I will close this video. So first timers, if you are clearing your prelims, just get focused. Don't waste a minute of time. Again and again, I want to re-emphasize this. Thank you very much.